To create a PayPal business account, start by going to the PayPal website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Select Business Account and enter your email address to begin the registration process. You will then be asked to provide your business information, including your business name, address, and phone number. Next, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by PayPal. Once your email address is verified, you can log into your account and complete the setup process. You will be asked to provide additional information about your business, including your tax identification number and business type. To add a bank account to your PayPal business account, go to the Wallet section and click on Link a Bank Account. Enter your bank account information and follow the prompts to complete the linking process. You can also add a credit or debit card to your account by going to the Wallet section and clicking on Link a Card. To set up payment receiving options, go to the Payments section and click on Payment Settings. Here you can choose how you want to receive payments, including instant transfers to your bank account or manual transfers. You can also set up payment reminders and notifications to help you stay on top of your transactions. To customize your PayPal business account, go to the Profile section and click on Account Settings. Here you can add a profile picture, cover photo, and bio to represent your business. You can also connect your social media accounts to your PayPal business account to make it easier for customers to find and pay you. Best practices for using a PayPal business account include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your transactions regularly, and responding promptly to customer inquiries. You should also make sure to comply with PayPal's terms and conditions, as well as any applicable laws and regulations. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and set up a PayPal business account that meets your business needs and helps you to manage your online payments effectively.